Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to earn $750 daily with these 10 passive income ideas. The top item in this list is selling AI prompts, a growing and lucrative opportunity known as prompt engineering. Without needing formal degrees, people are earning up to $345,000 annually. You can achieve enhanced and more accurate results by understanding how to provide specific prompts to AI systems. This trend has created a significant online marketplace where pre-made prompts are sold for easy copy-paste use. Websites like PromptBase serve as a platform similar to Amazon, connecting prompt creators with those in need. These platforms attract millions of views monthly, offering substantial exposure and traffic to your listed prompts. This method can be a powerful source of passive income, as your prompts can continuously generate sales without requiring ongoing effort, making it an attractive addition to your income streams. Idea number 2 is selling digital products. A method where you create something like courses, books, or songs and sell it online. It requires an initial investment of time and effort, but you can keep selling it repeatedly without extra costs. Digital products have a broad reach and aren't tied to a location and can be sold globally. The only drawback is needing specific knowledge to create the particular digital product of your choosing. It's a way to earn money online by sharing your skills and creativity. Third on this list is online typing jobs, which I've recently created a video about. I've recently made a video about this topic. I'm going to put the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Engaging in online typing tools, including transcription and copyright services, is now more convenient than ever. Utilizing AI tools like ChatGPT or similar online AIs can assist in creating specific content for clients. Writing text has been a long-standing profession, essential for every business, and remaining in demand as long as communication exists. You can either offer writing services in the form of YouTube scripts. For instance, what I'm saying to you right now has been prepared as a script before presenting it to you in video form. So, whether it's composing an email to boost sales or creating content for a website, there are numerous avenues to provide copy services and generate substantial online income. With the integration of AI, this income stream can become passive. Some individuals earn thousands of dollars per month by dedicating just 1 hour a day to copywriting. Notably, this work can be done remotely, allowing you to earn from anywhere. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Moving on to number 4 in today's list is affiliate marketing, a profitable topic involving promoting others' products for a commission on each sale. The income potential ranges widely, from hundreds to millions of dollars monthly. This method can be executed through various platforms like social media, YouTube, or blogging. YouTube has emerged as a prime spot for affiliate marketers. Channels often create content like top 10 videos of a particular topic or product, embedding affiliate links in the description. These links direct viewers to purchase the recommended items, earning the affiliate a commission. Similarly, bloggers weave affiliate links into their posts, guiding readers toward purchases. Affiliate marketing's charm lies in its win-win nature. Customers access possible discounts, affiliates gain commissions without producing their own goods, and product creators receive exposure and sales from intensive marketing. Effective affiliate marketing relies on recommending and educating your audience about promoted products. Although it demands time and strategic investment, it can yield substantial passive income. Success hinges on nurturing audience trust. Furnish honest insights about promoted products, ensuring alignment with your audience's interests. As trust grows, so does your earning potential. The next method on this list is investing, a notably passive approach to earning money online. However, it's important to note that investing requires both time and capital. If your initial funds are limited, focusing on increasing your income before investing is advisable. This way, you'll have more to allocate towards stocks, ETFs, bonds, and dividend-paying stocks. These investments can yield monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual returns, leveraging the power of compounding over time. When starting your investment journey on the right track, consider looking into Webull. One advantage of Webull is that it doesn't have a mandatory minimum deposit requirement and offers promotions to encourage new users to fund their accounts. Number 6 on the list is creating a personal YouTube channel. This can be an exceptional investment, particularly in today's landscape, where personal brand holds significant value. A personal YouTube channel offers a platform for content creation and a powerful door opener in various aspects of life, such as showcasing expertise, aiding in international moves, and more. While managing a personal brand might not appear inherently passive, it's possible to establish efficient systems. For instance, you can have content for the entire week by dedicating one day to recording multiple videos. Beyond being on camera, many aspects of the channel can be outsourced to virtual assistants, such as editing, script creation, and idea generation. Next is faceless YouTube channels, the epitome of passive income. To create one, you develop standard operating procedures that outline every task required to run the channel. You then delegate these tasks to a virtual assistant or trusted employee. This person handles everything: sourcing footage, voiceovers, generating ideas, scripting, and posting videos. This results in a fully automated channel that doesn't require direct involvement. Faceless YouTube channels offer another benefit. They serve as effective traffic generators. The audience your videos attract can be directed to other ventures, like affiliate marketing or your digital products. Number 8 on the list is graphic design. Many individuals sell their photos, videos, and music on stock platforms like Artlist, Epidemic Sound, etc. Another option is leveraging tools like Midjourney. Surprisingly, Midjourney can be a potent asset for generating graphic designs. It empowers you to create designs for stickers, t-shirts, websites, and even corporate uniforms. Midjourney's versatility allows you to craft a wide array of designs. Number 9 is video editing. While not entirely passive, it offers location flexibility. Learning video editing can be valuable, but more straightforward tasks like editing YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels are quick and well-paying. Platforms like Upwork have demanded for these services, with rates often around $15 to $20 per short video. Number 10 is selling your voice. This involves offering voiceover services for various needs, such as YouTube channels, documentaries, and more. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great avenues to showcase your narration skills and earn substantial income. Even recording with a smartphone or any available recording device can work. Listing your voiceover services can fetch you up to $99 per gig or potentially more, making it a profitable way to earn passively. As a bonus, consider creating an affiliate marketing program for your digital or physical products. This highly passive approach involves setting up a program where others promote your products. For instance, if you've created an online course, you can establish an affiliate program offering incentives for others to bring in sales. Providing both a commission to affiliates and a discount for buyers can stimulate growth. In a world where opportunities are expanding through the digital realm, the avenues we've explored here hold the potential to reshape financial landscapes. Embracing the methods we've discussed, from online typing jobs to affiliate marketing, empowers individuals to venture into new territory, transforming side hustles into substantial sources of income. The rise of AI has democratized writing and content creation, making it accessible and lucrative. Investing, once reserved for the affluent, can now be anyone's gateway to financial growth, amplifying the path toward financial freedom. Graphic design and photo selling showcase the fusion of creativity and commerce, enabling artists to monetize their talents across various platforms. As these methods and ideas intertwine, they offer a roadmap toward financial independence. Making money online is no longer a distant dream. It's a tangible reality. These endeavors have the potential to uplift lives, supplement incomes, and turn aspirations into achievements. The path to monetary transformation is at your fingertips. Embrace it, make a difference, and forge your way to financial freedom. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.